What you are about to see is not a movie. Stay tuned for more action. Vitamin C versus virus.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your 100-year companion. We all want to live a long, healthy life. But did you know humans have a fatal weakness compared to other animals? Our bodies cannot produce a single drop of vitamin C. That is why we need help from the outside.
So, what happens when you swallow this orange pill? Does it really work?
Let's take a journey inside your body to watch the war.
War between the vitamin and the virus. It looks like a simple morning routine, just a small orange pill. But make no mistake, you are not just swallowing a supplement. You are deploying an elite army down into the abyss, through the dark tunnels of your body. This little capsule travels to the front lines. It carries a weapon your body desperately needs. Here, the transformation happens. The pill dissolves, unleashing pure energy. Billions of vitamin C molecules are released like a golden flood. Deep in your bloodstream, a silent war is raging. Invaders have arrived. These viruses are looking for weak spots. Your immune system is under siege. The counterattack begins. The golden energy empowers your white blood cells. They hunt down the enemy. The light pierces through the darkness. The viruses don't stand a chance. The battle is over. Balance is restored. Your body is a universe, and today you defended it. Protect your universe. Stay healthy and take it slow. How many vitamin pills do you take a day? Tell us in the comments.